Alright, 21 through 24 are graphing the following inequalities. So we need to get y by itself first. So what are we going to do? Subtract 3 from both sides, and that leaves me with y is greater than or equal to absolute value of x minus 3. Remember, the absolute value bars keep everything else outside, so you can't bring the negative 3 to the inside. Okay, so now we're just going to graph absolute value of x minus 3. So let's see, absolute value, basic points are right here. And then minus 3 on the outside means move these points down 3. So my new graph is going to be 1, 2, 3 right here. Okay. And then now, let's take a look at our sign. That's going to tell us what kind of line to use. We've got the equals on the bottom, which tells us to use a solid line. So we can go ahead and graph now using a solid line. There we go. And over here, right there. And then now we just need to see where to shade it. Okay, we can see it's greater than, and so what's greater than? That's above the line. So right here is our inequality. There we go. Alright, looking at the next one, we need to get the y by itself. So let me rewrite it on the right side over here. 3 plus y less than absolute value of x plus 2. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, and that's going to leave me with y is less than x plus 2, absolute value of x plus 2, minus 3. So let's graph the points first. Remember, our absolute value parent function points are right here. Negative 2, 2, negative 1, 1, 0, 0. And it tells us to move to the left 2 units because it's plus 2. So my first translation is going to be 1, 2 right here. And then it's minus 3 on the outside, so that's going to be down 3. So my final is going to be 1, 2, 3 right here. Alright, now let's take a look and see what kind of line we should use. There's no equal sign here, which means we're going to be using a dashed line. So we can go ahead and draw our line now. This. Alright, and where do we shade? Above or below? It's less than, and less than the line would be below the line. Y is less than. And so there would be our inequality.